Introducing a modern ceiling fan by Sofukor. With 100% all-natural walnut wood with distinguished grain. It has smooth, stable, and silent operation for whisper-quiet performance. With adjustable LED lighting with memory that can be set to warm, natural, or cool lighting, as well as being dimmable. The speed is adjustable and has 6 modes, from slow, to medium, to fast. And the direction is reversible for adjusting from winter to summer. You can also set a timer and have the fan automatically shut off. You adjust all the settings with the included remote control. Setup is simple and straightforward. For safety, always turn off power at the breaker. Then connect your live, neutral, and ground wires to the fan. It's really that simple, and in no time you too can be enjoying a Sofukor fan.